I think this is better than McDonald's. I think I beat you, McDonald's. I came for you and I conquered. Hey guys, it's me, Becca, and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is a very interesting one. I don't know if you guys know about the McDonald's Cinnamon, but the only thing with it is I never really see it on a menu, so I always forget to order it, which most McDonald's have it. You just have to ask for it. And sometimes, like in the morning, it's not enough to hold me through the whole morning, so I get a biscuit, and it just turns out to like not be ever the right portion. I think this is the best part of this, because with this, you can just make some homemade scrambled eggs and have your cinnamon, and you're good to go. I think the best part of this recipe is, yes, it is a copycat, but it just is like a twist on cinnamon rolls overall, so you can very much make it your own, because all they did was like they opened up a cinnamon roll and they just like made the layers different, which is delicious, and it's all on its own. And I think it's just more yummy to eat, and because the cinnamon roll, like, it's been done so much, but this way it's just a new twist way, and it's so messy, like in a good way, that it's like every little piece of it has the cinnamon and the sugar. Well, the cinnamon roll, only the center has it. It's just more involved, more delicious. And, you know, I just want to see if I can do it. So let's go ahead and make the McDonald's Cinnamon at home. Okay, you're going to need some brown sugar, biscuits, milk, powdered sugar, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract. And this is where I went a little extra with it. And I got the Kerrygold butter because this is just like the best butter out there. And it's a little fancier. You don't have to go as crazy, I think, as I did, but I think it really does add something extra to the recipe. Okay, so to begin off, you want to open up your can of biscuits. There we go. Open up your can of biscuits. Dump those bad boys out. And then you want to cut each biscuit into 4s. So just one way across, each way. And then you just want to put that into a mixing bowl. Alright. Now that that's cut, we're going to make our sugar mixture. Okay, so now that my biscuits are in the whiskey bowl, I'm going to slowly start adding 1/4 cup of brown sugar and then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And that's what you would normally actually just use if you were going to make some regular old cinnamon rolls. You just want to mix that and evenly coat each piece. Okay, so I made an oopsie and I can't find my 9x9 dish. If you have a 9x9 dish, use your 9x9 dish. I'm just gonna put aluminum foil right in the center, and that's how I'm gonna create a 9x9 dish. Because I don't want to go all the way to Target right now, and I don't know where. I must have made something and given it to someone. I can't find it. So I'm just gonna put aluminum foil down the center, and that's how I'm gonna create mine. And then I'm going to go ahead and grease it, and I'll show you what it's left after that. Okay, that's just what I did. It's not pretty, but it'll work. Then I'm going to add in all my biscuits. And if you were gonna do, if you wanted to do 9x16, all you'd have to do is double the recipe. Okay, and then I just want to drizzle 3 tablespoons of the Kerrygold butter right on top of this, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven for anywhere from 20 minutes, just till it looks cooked and well done. Alright, so I'm gonna drizzle the butter right on top of it. Now that that's done, we're gonna pop these in the oven for about 20 minutes, just so the dough looks fully cooked at 350 degrees. Let's get to it. Okay, so I put 1/2 cup of powdered sugar in here, and I'm gonna start by adding everything and then incorporating my 2nd cup. So I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of butter, and then 2 tablespoons of milk. Alright, now that all our liquid's in there, you're going to want to start mixing and slowly start incorporating that other cup of sugar. And then you want to incorporate everything till it's smooth. Okay guys, now for the best time, the taste test. I went ahead and poured the glaze over it. And this is the final result. Let's give it a try. Water. I'm thirsty. Okay guys, so all in all, it is absolutely delicious. It's super sweet, super sugary, but there is a slight difference. Though it tastes very similar to McDonald's, it does have that nice homemade feel to it, and that just, it tastes real. It doesn't taste like once it was frozen. It just tastes real. It tastes homemade. It's got a real nice flakiness to it. But overall, I think this is a great idea for breakfast or brunches. And it's absolutely delicious. And I don't think anybody's going to complain if you bring some of this to anywhere. I actually choose it over the McDonald's one just because that butter tastes so much richer and buttery. It tastes so much better. But I know someone's going to be like, it doesn't taste like McDonald's. Well, yes, because I can't imitate the GMOs that they make. Not that I'm hating on their GMOs. God knows this body was brought to you by McDonald's. But there's no way you can make it at home and it tastes as artificial. It tastes better in my opinion. It tastes real. But it has that familiarity of McDonald's. Just homemade. I mean, it makes a ton of it. And I only used one can. Like if you did 2 cans, it would easily cover this whole pan. And it was so easy to make. It was quick and easy. I enjoyed it. It literally, McDonald's is here and this one's here. It just has that like hominess to it. I think this is better than McDonald's. I think I beat you, McDonald's. I came for you and I conquered. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, as well as leave any comments down below. And I hope to see you guys next time.